Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today video, we will continue our basic settings and configuration for Dial. So for today, we will do a press 1 survey campaign. But it will routed to call menu and then uh, via inbound group. Okay. So we will create the campaign and configure it, and call will be transferred to call menu and then inbound group. Okay. So first you need to log into your BG Dial administration and then go to the campaign. Or first you need to create your you need to go to your inbound. Okay, so after you log in, you can click the inbound. Okay, this is the inbound, and then go to the call menu. So this is our call menu, and then from here you need to click add new call menu, and then we can write this one, press 1 menu. So we can put press 1, submit. Okay, we are here. And now the third column. So this one will be our audio. So this will be our press 1 audio. So I can use this one. Okay, so after that, if you want to set some timeout tone, you can put over here. If you want to set your call time, so you can set 24 hours. Tracking call menu. Okay. If you want to log key, so you can put on address 3. And then this is now the option. Option to select. Okay. Just submit this one first. Mm, Okay. So after you submit, so you need now to configure the options. So this one will be the what number they will gonna press. So okay, for the press 1, okay, you can select the press 1 and then press 1 if you want anyone. So you can put in group. Okay. So from here, so we don't have yet inbound group. So we need to create also inbound group first. So I'm gonna leave this one. So I need to go to the inbound group, this one. So I want to add inbound. So press 1 inbound. So this will be all the press 1. It will redirect here on the inbound. I can choose the color. Okay, then submit longest can put the longest wait time. Okay, now we have already an inbound, so we can set later the inbound campaign is not yet, as you can see there. Okay, so after that, we have now call menu and others. So we're going to campaign. So we will create another campaign. So I will create another campaign. So this one will be the press 1. Uh, EM. I can put IN. So this will be the press 1 inbound campaign. So I just said press 1 inbound because when you press 1, it will goes to the uh, call menu, and then all calls will be treated as inbound. Okay, 24 hours calling. Okay, so this will be, and then after that you can set this one to ratio. Okay, so we will configure it. So 5242, our dial prefix, and then we have here formatting. Okay, so for now, and then for our we can use, for the meantime, without you can select the routing extension over here. So we can use the 8366 for the meantime. So we're not using any AMD. Okay, just submit for now. And then scroll it down. You can scroll it down for the meantime. Okay, inbound. So you can able to set this one for inbound. Okay, okay, and then go here, survey campaign. So you can put this one silent. So TDF you can know. Wait second, zero. Put this one to silence, all this one. And then agent transfer, set to call menu, option out, silent. So all this one should be silent. And then survey call menu, okay, submit. Okay, so now we are on survey campaign. So we can check again our details. So this one survey campaign within the same campaign, right? So later on we will create another campaign. So or because we will use a remote agent to dial. So even though there is no agent lagging, the system will still dialing. Okay, so now as you can see, we already put the uh, we only allow for the inbound. Okay, and then over here, so we already have an in group. This one. Okay, this will be our in group. So I can select the agent. Okay, so we have here, then go back to the call menu. Okay, so this is our option, press 1. So this will be the press 1 routing call menu, press 1 inbound, CID. You can shoot closer or CID lookup, select the campaign, press 1 IN inbound. Okay, uh, option 2, if you have an option 2 like hang up or something else. Okay, so we put the audio file, say goodbye. Okay, so and then for if you want to set the timeout, okay, so if you want to repeat, going back to the call menu, okay, and then for the invalid, so if they only pressing number, so if you want to go back again to call menu, okay, okay, submit. Okay, so we have successfully create our press 1 campaign routed to call menu and then inbound group, and then let's try if we able to test. Okay, so from the list I can move the list from my list 1000. So I'm gonna move to inbound, so I'm gonna reset also. So we have this. Okay, okay, so we gonna test now our call. Okay, so this is my putty. Can set as 3 say. Okay, so let's check. Show here. Yeah, okay. So, okay. So I need to module load. Okay, just go here. So we have here the telnet, and then I need to log in the agents. To log in the agent. Okay. Okay. So it will be on press one inbound. So from here, let's see. So we have one dialable leads. Okay. Did you hear the prompt? Hope you heard. So we have one dialable lead. So let's try. Okay. Need select blended ready. So let's see if it's dialing. Okay. So we have one. That we don't have leads. Okay. So from here, we will reset it. Mhm, mhm. So we can add the BC here, BC, and then we can reset the campaign. We can reset the this. Okay, okay. It's dialing or originating. So as you can see, we have here. I said caller ID. We don't have yet caller ID. So from that, I need to assign a campaign caller ID. Okay. Okay. Save. Okay. So log out for the meantime. Login back. Okay, submit. Okay. Then let's see. Okay, let's see if going to set ready. Okay, we'll reset again. So let's wait until they dialed. Okay, it's not yet. Not yet coming back. Okay. So we have NA and PM. So I need to put in here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, see there, coming. So it's dialing. Yeah, dialing my number. Okay, so gonna answer it. Okay, so I'm gonna press 1. Okay, so you can see the call was landed in my end. So as you can see, it's going to the press 1 inbound. Okay, so I'm gonna hang up. BC. Okay, so let's try again. I'm gonna put on inactive post. Okay. Okay, so we're waiting to load again the list. Okay, so that you can hear, you can check. Okay, so let's see it's there. So let's see, it's now dialing. Okay, so see, it's calling, and then if I answered,
Thank you for calling. For support, press 1. To speak with the accounts department, press 2.
okay, gonna press 1. See, and then it will land here. So if you check your real time, as you can see, it will goes to inbound group, press 1 inbound. Okay. Okay, so guys, hope you are enjoying our video on how to create a survey campaign routed to the call menu and inbound group. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.